Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make the citrus vinaigrette that you guys been asking to make the recipe. So pay attention to the ingredients. Okay, so for our ingredients for the vinaigrette, we're gonna need 2 cups of pineapple juice, 1 cup of fresh orange juice, 1 cup of lime juice, 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of oil, your choice, olive oil, corn oil, vegetable oil, your choice. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of coriander or cilantro seeds, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of cloves ground, and 2 tablespoons of achote with cilantro adobo Goya. There's small packages in the Mexican stores, you can get it. And also you're gonna need about 4 bay leaves, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 small onion, 1 shallot, about 4 or 5 garlic cloves, and a piece of pineapple. So let me give you the next step. Okay, so for our vinaigrette, we're gonna combine and blend all the ingredients. We're gonna put the garlic, the onion, shallots, bay leaves, all the ingredients. We're gonna blend it and then I'll come back and show you the final vinaigrette. Okay, so this is our final vinaigrette, citrus vinaigrette. So here you have it, the recipe that you guys asked for it. Hopefully you guys like this recipe, and you guys can use it for any roast that you want to make on the outside on the grill, or on the pit roast, a smoker, anything. Today we're gonna use this vinaigrette for our roasted pig in the caja china, for the Chinese box. So stay tuned for this recipe too. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Happy